I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. They were.
Where were you yesterday? I was in bed, it rained all day. Where were you yesterday? I was at home and I could play. Where was he yesterday? He was at school then ran away. Where was he yesterday? He was outside with friends all day. Was for one, were for more. That's the rule we can't ignore. Was for I, he, she, and it. Were for we, you, they, that's it. Where was she yesterday? She was in the park with her friend Faye. Where was she yesterday? She was so happy all the way. Where was it, your little bear? It was on top of that old chair. Where was it, do you recall? It was in bed right near the wall. Was for one, were for more. That's the rule we can't ignore. Was for I, he, she, and it. Were for we, you, they, that's it. Where were we yesterday? We were in the library, no time to play. Where were we yesterday? We were with one big book all day. Where were you yesterday? You were on a stage in a school play. Where were you yesterday? You were in mass, hip, hip, hooray! Was for one, were for more. That's the rule we can't ignore. Was for I, he, she, and it. Were for we, you, they, that's it. Where were they yesterday? They were at camp down by the bay. Where were they yesterday? They were in a tent where campers stay. Now the day has flown away, but we remember yesterday. If it's just one, then say was for more than one. Use were because. Was for I, he, she, and it. Were for we, you, they.